زمان واحد فينا يتكلم. مدرسة القاسم بالحرف ألف ومدرسة الشهيد بالحرف باء. طيب long controversy from very long time. Which is which? Would you like to be very rich? أبو بكر الشهيد حيدافعوا عن العكس، يقولوا لا نحن ما دايرين قروش.
Okay. We have from الشهيد أبو بكر الطيب Afra Muhammad. Where is Afra? Yes, where is your clapping? And we have also Fatma Hassan, Hassan Private Secondary School for Girls. We have Insaf Al-Bakhari, and we have Hala Muhammad, and we have Medna Muhammad. Okay, Shaheed Abu Bakr Tayyib is going to start this debate for us, and we hope luck and success for the two teams. Okay. And Afra is going to start for us the debate. Are you ready, Afra? Ready? Okay. When you are ready.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I and my school and my colleagues, we are very happy to be here with you. We are very happy to be here with you to discuss an important issue. As Mr. Ahmed said before, we are here to gain more knowledge. The knowledge is the most important thing in our life, as we know, but we try to convince our colleagues with this. Let us begin. From the beginning, from Allah the Almighty created the whole universe. What was the reason? What was the reason to create all of these creations? The reason is to worship Allah, and worship Allah in the right way. So Allah created us to this reason. Also, when Allah created our parents, Adam and Eve, what was their weapons? When He sent them to the earth, did He give them the money, give them millions of dollars and say to them, go and you will develop the land? No. Allah the Almighty gave our parents, Adam and Eve, the knowledge and sent them to the earth in order to develop it. Also, we are here to discuss this issue. Even our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, most of his hadith was about the knowledge and how to earn the knowledge and what is the reason to be a knowledge. Because through knowledge we can know everything. We can discover the world. It is like the light. We can see what's surrounding us. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ordered us to earn the knowledge because we are Muslims. So the Muslims have to be knowledgeable. Because we can notice that from our lives nowadays, most of the un-Muslim and disbelievers join Islam and believe in Islam through their knowledge. No one pays them money and say to them, when you become Muslim you will be a wealthy. So the knowledge is the most important thing in the life. Also our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says in his hadith, seek knowledge from birth to grave, or some people say from birth to death. But the important thing is that the Muslim order from their religion to earn the knowledge inside their whole life, from they are a child even to their birth. And also it is enough to say that the first order from Allah the Almighty was what? Was Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq al-insana min 'alaq. Iqra, to read. He ordered us, he says Iqra, read. He didn't say collect money and collect the wealth. Because the knowledge is the most important thing in the human being life. Also we all of us knew the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, says that seek the knowledge even in China. This hadith not mean when we take our bag and take it go to China, especially going to China is very easy, we will be a scientist. No, but that shows us that the knowledge is the most important thing in the life. We have to seek knowledge, we have to work hard in order to be a scientist. Thanks for your listening. Thanks. Now my colleague Isaac will say something. Thanks.
Thank you, my colleague Afra. I want to discuss my opinion. I disagree with her point. Personally, wealthy people can do good deeds, and they in addition can support themselves, and also they can give charity. And that happened in the time of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when the poor told him that wealthy people have gone with all the rewards, which means by that wealthy people have money to give charity and do good deeds, and Allah will reward them in return. On the other hand, wealthy people can do all things they need. They are supported the future of children, so they will be brought up without needing help from someone else. As well as they will get better education and supported themselves. In contrast to live to your family, only education, it never gives them bread. In my opinion, most of rich people, much of rich people can support it, the society, and also if he dies, he may leave enough money to their family. As a result of that, the family will live a better life in a good condition without suffering. In my opinion, I can also say that people can respect this rich man. Of course, the most alarming feeling in our society is the feeling of being in debt. That feeling makes you, educated people, may spend a lot of time of thinking how to get out of debt. With money, you can support it and you sleep calmly, no debt, no anything, survive and live your life with no disturbance. Thank you. I want to listen to my colleague Fatima.
Thank you.
Here I want to ask you a question, and I want everyone to use his mind, his knowledge to answer it. Only knowledge. What is the difference between people in one hand and other creatures in the other? Okay. The difference between people and other creatures is the mind, if we feed it with knowledge. By mind, Allah enables us to master other creatures. So, knowledge is the fuel of mind. If we have enough, then we are able to do or to take a right decision. We can organize our life better, isn't it? Using knowledge, we will not be cheated, so we can take all our rights. If I'm well educated, then that means, if I'm well educated, that means I know how and what to do. It makes me proud of myself and gives me self-satisfaction. Simply because I can go on successful careers. And I will be remembered of my achievements. Thank you. And then I will introduce my colleague, Hannah.
I would like to thank my colleague Fatma, but I disagree with her. The rich people are able to get whatever they want with money. They can live in a good areas, building big houses, riding in nice cars, amusing themselves by any means of entertainment, and so on and so forth. Recently, we live in the third world. The normal people always prefer to have a good relation with the people who help them. Only the rich people are able to give them opportunity to work or give them money. And also, the rich people are respected. The rich people are respected and treated by good manners wherever they go. As we see in a public occasion, some people running after them, serving them, and so on. So, why people do such things? Money talks. Therefore, the rich people can get all the respect and special treatment they need. This may happen for the reason that some people are violent and others by their appearance, rather than to look what they have in their minds. Thank you so much, and I want to listen to my colleague Iman.
We need money, but money without knowledge is nothing. People depended on knowledge and money to develop themselves. You can take the Africa as a living example. We are here in Africa, but we are not poor countries. We are so rich countries, but we are still developing countries suffering from hunger and poverty. Why? Because we don't have techniques, right? What's techniques? Techniques are knowledge. So we need techniques in order to develop our countries. Okay? That means technique is knowledge, and knowledge show you how to collect money, show you how to spend your money wisely in order to get what? In order to get a usefulness from it. Also, knowledge is very important to us. Why? Because knowledge helps us to solve our problems. And what happened in Nivasha is the living example of this, which can be witnessed. Surely an educated person have skills, have information, have self-confidence, or have the ability to share in the development. The thing which makes him feel that he is an important part in his society, and also makes him enabled to do something good to the human life. That means knowledge is very important to us. Knowledge is what? Knowledge is important part in the development. Wherever knowledge is found, there is a development. You can take the Malaysia as a living example. What happened in Malaysia? Malaysian people use knowledge. Use knowledge to do what? Use knowledge to develop themselves. They use knowledge. They delegated power and put efforts in able to get the development. That means we need knowledge. Knowledge is very important to show us the way of doing things in the right way. So, we need knowledge to worship Allah in the right way and to be a good step to Allah, and this is the fairest order. And this is the most important point in our talk here. We need knowledge to improve ourselves, our living standards, because through knowledge we can get money. But with money, how can we get knowledge? How can we get knowledge without money? We need knowledge. Why? Because we need knowledge to gain knowledge. Because gaining knowledge need us to have a knowledge, to know what is suitable to us and what is not. So, please try hard to get knowledge and make the money just a means, not your target. What is life with money? Life is nothing without knowledge. So, try to gain knowledge, because knowledge is very important. Knowledge is the real wealth. Thank you to the league, thank you teachers, thank you everyone. Now I'm going to present my colleague, Najla.
Thank you, my colleague, Iman. Also,
wealthy people are able to play an important role in development. They do good things. They do the good things, and without money, you haven't do anything good. You can't develop in countries. They play an important role in development, like by funding and providing projects like building schools and hospitals where educated people are worked in it. And also wealthy people are do humanitarian work like building houses to poor persons and children. Also they help any person want to help. What do you say if you lose your mind? Thank you. Support is the future of their children, and they are more respected in the community. Furthermore, they can live their life without the worry of being in debt. Besides that, wealthy people do humanitarian work and do funding projects. Thank you.
إجابة واحدة.